Transforming Zimbabwe's dairy value chain. TranZDVC Impact Stories.
The European Union funded TranZDVC project under the Zimbabwe Agricultural Growth Program aims to transform Zimbabwe's dairy value chain for the future. To achieve this, the project came up with initiatives such as pluralistic extension, the matching grants facility, as well as mobilizing farmers to get into dairy. Today we are at Chomwedzi farm where we are talking to Ruramiso Mashumba, a prominent figure in Zimbabwe's agricultural circles but new to dairy. Let's hear her story. Hello Ruramiso, please tell us more about yourself and what you do here.
Hi Adiba, my name is Ruramiso Mashumba. I am the chairperson for the youth for the Zimbabwe Farmers Union. I'm the vice president for the Young Ambassadors for SACAL, which is Southern African Confederation of Agriculture Unions. I farm here at Chomwedzi farm. I'm a commercial farmer. I have commercial crops. Right now I'm growing potato for TRB, and I also have some commercial potato as well. I grow maize. I've grown seed maize, but right now I've got commercial maize, which I'm growing for GMB. I grow horticulture crops, and next year I'll be doing export peas again. I've done it for 2 years and I'm going back into it with my community. And I also run an organization that supports women in the rural areas where we do trainings as well called Minandi Africa, and we have a training program called Women Who Farm. And I've recently started dairy.
Wonderful. I also saw so many trees. Can you also tell us about that?
Yes. So I'm very big on sustainability in terms of just taking care of the environment. So here we have a plantation of 107 hectares of trees which we planted together with SAA, Sustainable Afforestation Association, to address the challenges of deforestation that was happening in the community. We also have a solar farm that we are using to power the farm. And so we're looking at different ways of how we can continue being sustainable.
Like you said, you've recently started dairy.
Yes.
With all the experience that you have in the agricultural sector, dairy is a new thing to you. What motivated you, or what inspired you to get into dairy at this time?
Adiba, I've always wanted to do dairy. My reason for wanting to do dairy was, when I grew up, I knew my grandmother. She used to make what they call milk and feed her children. And I've always wanted to find ways on how I can scale it up. But when I looked at entering dairy, it seemed there was quite a few barriers in terms of just the cost of even the infrastructure or buying the cows. Mm-hmm. So when I saw the advert that you put in the Zimbabwe Farmers Union WhatsApp group, I decided to, for the match grant, I decided to apply because I found that is an opportunity for me to start just with a small herd and then scale up from there, learn about dairy, and also start creating my Hodzeko products. So that is the reason why I started my dairy.
Okay, so you did apply for the matching grants, and what did you get?
So I got 2 heifers and I matched with 2. So right now I've got 4. 2 Jersey and 2 Holstein cows right now, and we also have 4 cows.
Wonderful. Congratulations.
Thank you.
Also maybe as a new dairy farmer, are you getting technical support from the project?
Yes, I get a lot of support from ZADF. We have a field officer who is in Marondera, which is only about 10 km from here. So they come maybe every 2 weeks, sometimes every week. And they train us on even how to milk the cows, the health, how often we should dip the cows, and they just give us the latest information, which is very helpful because it's helped us learn a lot, and we have managed to implement a lot of the things that they have been teaching us, and we hope to continue learning more and being able to scale up our project until we're able to have maybe even 100 cows here.
Wonderful. So can we say that you are not regretting the decision to get into dairy?
Well, I'm very happy to be creating my dairy product with Zeko right now. I have a lot of customers that actually really like it. So that's my entry point. And I also am going into looking at processing and making yogurt hopefully next year. So it's a very interesting learning curve. I've learned so much, and it's also good to create something that people want as well.
I also like how you packaged the Hodzeko. I'm yet to taste it, but I'm sure it does taste good. Yeah. Congratulations, Ruramiso, and we wish you the very best in this new dairy business that you've just started.
Thank you so very much.
Transforming Zimbabwe's dairy value chain. TranZDVC Impact Stories.